was directed not to be filed without the leave of the court. Now they say charge sheet is ready.
That is an interim order granted in my favor.
Allah, investigation was permitted to continue.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಏನ್
So
ನನಗೆ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
there's
ಇಲ್ಲ.
no question of permitting them to file charge sheet unless I
That's
hear
it.
the matter.
My lord, it is an interim
As
order.
simple as that.
It is as good as your lordship getting the interim order.
We'll hear the matter.
No, let the charge sheet be filed, my lords. They have been the.
No,
very
no,
much-
no.
May
One
make,
nimsha.
may
See,
make,
I'll tell you one thing.
may make a submission.
If the court were to permit investigation and filing of the final report, it would have been dismissed that day itself. It is not dismissed. Now investigation is permitted to continue to get to know what has happened. Now that doesn't mean you can straight away file charge sheet with the leave of the court unless I hear the matter. Matter should be heard. That's all.
Your lordship may kindly fix up a date.
That's all.
Then
Lords, the construct is that
Tomorrow?
when- I will not be in a position to rely upon. Remember that's what
Not in
matters
a
most.
position, Allah.
May- there are
For
two
the
aspects to
no,
it.
for the perusal of the court, you can always.
There are two aspects to it, Menas. One aspect is
No,
that.
sorry, I
Yeah,
forget
then-
the name. ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಮರ್ತುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
Venkatesh.
BT Venkatesh.
ವೇಟಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ಈಗ if I permit you to file the charge sheet and permit them to challenge the charge sheet,
There remains
they,
nothing.
Allah, as you said, I was about to say that. Allah, there is nothing remains in this case. So what happens is, there is no bar for me to peruse the charge sheet at all. I will peruse the charge sheet. If there is anything, we will permit it to be filed. If there is nothing, whatever order is passed will be passed.
My construct was that
You
there are
can
two independent aspects to it. They are not
Then I'll
related.
have to hear the matter.
Once this honorable court had already permitted me to investigate through. In fact,
Definitely.
they have also participated
See,
in the investigation.
permitted you to investigate will be subject to the outcome of the petition. Now, ಈಗ charge sheet file ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then so many cases where interim order is there of this kind, I don't permit them to file the charge. I'll hear the matter. If it is charge sheet, if I have to dismiss it, I will dismiss it. Straight away.
There is one more development. My lord. There was a PIL, my lord, initiative, suo motu PIL. The Honorable my lord Division Bench said that there is nothing the Honorable High Court can grant indulgence, and my lord disposed of the matter, in which also my lord arguments were done to the effect that there is criminal negligence, that angle has to be looked. The Honorable Division Bench declined.
No, that's all right. Now, I'm
Two
not on
elements.
that of course may not have any bearing here to the ingredients of the offense if they are found. Let's see if charge sheet has to be, ಈಗ B report ಅಲ್ವಾ?
We wish, my lord,
If that were to be the case, if that were to be the case, I would not be here before this court.
charge sheet ಆಗೋದು.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್
Final
ಐ
report.
ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು
I
ಗೆಟ್
stand
ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್
corrected.
ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಲ್ ಫೈನಲ್
Final
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ
report.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ,
Final
ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು
report.
ಫೈಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ.
So more so the matter has to be heard. Because you are
It will
saying it
report
is
is
charge
the
sheet
only-
and not a final report.
It's a final report.
Final report
Charge
could
sheet
be
would
anything.
come only after taking cognizance.
No, no,
Until then.
No.
Only once the
Charge sheet
Numbering will
accepts-
happen. Numbering will happen after
ಈ
that.
ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈನಲ್
Cognizance
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು
The
charge sheet ಮೇಲೆ.
procedure is
Final-
this.
Cognizance ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ
The
charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲ.
investigating agency will investigate, prepare the
Have
charge sheet,
done the
place it
final
before the
report.
court. Court will number it as
Right.
CC. Cognizance is a later point
Top
in
the
time. It is registered as CC then.
It's a final report. Then I stand corrected to that extent that it may be, to the extent of final report.
that could
But
even be
this
a B
report would
Huh?
not,
That could even be a B report.
that will also be.
Final report could be anything. But the council did not say final report. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅವರು. I want to file charge sheet.
Final-
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು
Final report has to be submitted. The only part, the discipline of
ಈಗ
the
ಆಯ್ತು.
investigation has been taken place.
This has been the
Entire
submission-
investigation is completed.
This has been the
And they have
submission my lord
participated
has
in the
been making
investigation.
in,
That's
before
all
the very bench before which my lord this matter had come up. That we want to file a charge sheet. It
This
was
is first time
declined.
coming up here.
It was declined.
Hmm.
Again, my lord, because of the change of a roster, my lord, probably.
That's not. We represent
ಅಲ್ಲ
before the court. The
ಮುಂಚೆ
final
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ
report
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್
is
ಫೈಲ್
that
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ
December first week ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು we have
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು,
submitted a memo
ಬಂದ್ರು,
stating that
ಇದೇ
we will
submission ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು,
grant
permission
for
ಕೊಡಿ,
us to
charge sheet
final
ಹಾಕೋಕೆ
report.
ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲ
that's
ಆಯ್ತು.
that's too rudimentary even to explain that merely because this court has directed investigation to be conducted, it cannot straight away permit filing of the charge sheet. All this becomes redundant, it becomes useless.
Two aspects. They are, if the report is filed, then it will be an opportunity for the state to present the facts before the court, what exactly has transpired. In the absence of it,
I'll tell you
in
one
the
thing.
absence of it, I'll not be in a
I'll tell
position-
you, the hands of the state will not be tied to produce anything. nor the petitioners will object that the state cannot produce this.
And no objection statement is filed till date. If they want, let them.
It is a writ petition.
It's a writ petition.
No, it's a writ petition again.
I understand.
The point would be this, my lords, if we come within the illustrations, 7 illustrations of Bhajan Lal, and within the parameters of quashment of FIR, it can be done. And it's always open for the court, my lords, to examine the
No,
investigation papers.
my hands are not tied to look into the charge sheet material, not at all.
To permits, my lords, to see the investigation papers, but not to allow the charge sheet to
No,
be
no.
filed.
Where did I say?
Again, my lords, it's a case of.
None of you have said anything. I myself told that that will be rendering these petitions useless.
Absolutely.
Date may be fixed.
That's
On specific date, coutr will be in a position.
specific date ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Yes. ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೀರ? Day after tomorrow, sir? Madam.
Any specific date.
ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಮೆಸೇಜಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
My lord, anytime during next week, my lord?
10th at 2:30.
10 I am in the case, and unfortunately have a matter been listed.
Any day that suits your
Fine, really.
convenience. Basically, convenience of court. And
No,
thereafter his
ನಮ್ದು
convenience.
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ.
Thereafter his convenience.
10th ತಾರೀಖು
ನಾಗೇಶ್ sir
My
ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ,
inconvenience.
I
on
am
that
always
day.
there.
Any other day, so after 10th, any day.
12th, 13th,
After
14th.
Any day.
No problem. This is 12th, there are already 100 matters.
15th, my lord?
15th is Sunday.
Monday, 16th.
16th is Monday. Yes, we'll fix it on Monday.
Monday,
Monday
16th.
16th at 2:30 PM.
Yes,
Yes.
much.
Then it will be heard and disposed,
Much.
whatever. We'll either permit you to file charge sheet or keep the charge sheet to yourself.
I will be in a position
We'll see.
to submit it to the court
What
for
the
perusal.
court can do
I will be in a
itself.
position to submit it to the
Blood,
perusal of the
the-
Honorable.
Absolutely.
Most serious and important legal issue which we have raised is Casa Cousins.
That will,
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
yes.
ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
No, yes.
Much.
ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಪೀಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ. Well, that is the serious legal issue which
We'll
we have
see
raised.
if if there is any flaw in the sense in the management or things. First, we must understand some lives are lost in this. It's a
Well, how am I responsible?
precious, that we'll see. Precious lives are lost. So
That's right.
we'll have to examine it in a proper way. Yes. 304 ಹಾಕಿದಾರ ಏನು?
304 ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ 30 culpable homicide.
Yes, my lord.
304A ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Not amounted to.
304.
Not amounted.
My lord, under section 36, an offence could be committed either by an act or by an omission.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಏನ್ ಕತೆ
ಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್, ಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾನು.
ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು.
ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ is the
No,
final
if I come to know, it's
FIR.
enough. Don't worry.
FIR is only at the birth level. So the final report will decide what exactly the provisions that
Whatever.
evidence has
You
been
can-
collected before.
You can produce the entire record.
But that is not, no, that is not the issue.
ಅಲ್ಲ, why
If
1
the-
year in the objection ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
But if the allegations made in the complaint, which is the first information report in the case, do not disclose the commission of any cognizable offence, the question of registration of the crime and its investigation would not have been there at all.
Why so many petitions are there?
No, what
Different-
happened?
different accused, is it?
The office bearers of KSCA, my lord, were initially, my lord, imputed.
Ah.
The first set of petitions, then my lord RCB, then my lord the DNA.
Then, my lord, two cases in relation to the very same matter. Two
that
separate
has been
cases,
solved.
two separate crimes.
3 FIRs.
The submission was made before the court mill regarding other two FIRs have been merged with the.
If it goes on record, then those petitions will go.
ಯಾವುದು?
See,
On the
yes,
same
the petitions,
incident, 3 FIRs comes to be registered. One,
On-
my lord,
if they can
Same incident.
yes, my lord, if they can confine themselves to one FIR or one crime, the remaining two would go.
The court has already
Lord, one
given
of
a
the
finding.
FIR
and
We have filed separate
undertaking is
petitions.
back.
And my lord-
Undertaking is given by the state on that behalf in
I will
the order
see.
has been passed in this.
and my lord,
This court has already
interestingly, one of the FIR is by, my lord, the complainant is the police inspector. He was, my lord, kept under suspension. Later, he files a complaint saying that, my lord, there is negligence on these things. Then, my lord, he was suspended by the government along with 3 other police officers for negligence. That he did not take proper measures to control the crowd.
Oh. All right. So negligence on him, negligence on you.
I, in fact,
Obvious.
my lord, we can't control, my lord. I appear for the office bearers.
Why did you let in so many people?
It was outside the stadium.
No, no,
There was a
inside the
rush.
stadium.
Outside the stadium, my lord,
Outside the
a
stadium.
mad rush. In fact, that is the grievance of the complainant in the complaint on the basis of it, the
The
crime came to be
complaint is that
registered.
it's at the gate of the,
It's all right.
inside the gate, at the gate of the premises. That's something which is, that need to be specified, outside and through
Government
statements.
may not organize an open air my lord function on the
Tappa.
grand steps of Vidhan Sabha.
ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನ ಇದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
My lord, the chief
The same crowd
minister,
moved there.
minister and all honored
Pictures ಎಲ್ಲ
players
ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು.
were
ಆಯ್ತು
the
ಆಯ್ತು,
same
ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್
crowd.
ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Then yes, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂಗೆ.
ಯಾರು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು?
ಇವ್ರು ಕರ್ಸಿದ್ರು.
ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ ಹೋದ್ರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ರು
ಜನ
crowd went
ಹೋದ್ರು.
by themselves.
ಹ್ಮ್.
Crowd went by themselves.
Yes.
When there was, the crowd was wanting to, my lord, rush into the stadium, at one of the gates.
No, where did the stampede happen? It is at the gates of the,
Outside, outside, my lord.
Outside.
ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಗೇಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಘಟನೆಗಳಿವು.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್
But my lord want to direct them to file the counter, let the proceedings be completed. Time.
That is
ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅದು
ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಈ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Otherwise, how are we to know?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
as your lordship.
ಅಷ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನಮ್ಗಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕಿರೋದು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
One of the aspect is a factual aspect, my lord, that has to be appreciated. Where it happened, how it happened. For that, let them place the objection statement,
No,
my lord, so that we come prepared.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. Will be in a
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ
position.
ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಕಿ.
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Before that, I'll be in a position to file next week's
ಇಲ್ಲೇನೆ
time.
ಓ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಜಾಯಿಂಡರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? WP ಅಂತ.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಅದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ರಿಜೈಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು, ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಹಾಕಿ.
ಬರೋ ವಾರದೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿವೆ.
ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿ?
16.
16th. ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿರಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್.
I will file it and survey copy on the.
By Monday serve ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ they will also be ready with the
Much.
objections and you place the charge sheet material in a cover to the court.
That will be done. Much.
Interim order may kindly be ordered.
That will extend. Absolute ಇಲ್ವಾ? Absolute ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು till the next date ಅಂತ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ನಾಗೇಶ್, ಎಂ ಎಸ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸುಂದರ್, ಕಿರಣ್ ಜವಳಿ, ಸೂರಜ್ ಸಂಪತ್, ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಚೌಟ ಸರ್, ಸೂರಜ್ ಸಂಪತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸಾರಿ ಕಾಣ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
When we have a senior advocate, Mr. Nagesh, I don't think.
Yes, yes. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Yes.
ತಮಗೆ ಅದು ಟೋಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬಂದಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಟೋಲ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್
ಇಲ್ಲಿ there is my lord an implied SOP here, my lord, it will not happen. There is an implied SOP.
Yes, yes, yes. All
We
right.
will not venture, my lord, to get into the courtroom at 10:30, my lord.
Yes,
We will
yes.
wait for 10:45 or 10:50, then the crowd.
All right, yes. 16 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾಡಿ.
Much.
Interim order.
Entry model, madam, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು entry model subsisting in these cases shall continue till the next date of hearing.
ಅಲ್ಲ, till further orders ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ next week ತಗೊಂತೇನೆ. I have already told.
Much.
Actually here ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ further orders ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Anyway, ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Sir, it doesn't matter.
What sir says is right. Generally, when the matter is to be heard, it should be further order.
16th, 2:30.
16th, yes.
Much.
But ನೀವು material ನ 14th ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ,
I will be in a position
ಅಲ್ಲ,
to serve.
2 days ಮುಂಚೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಓದಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
I'll
Save the time of the court ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು.
Sure, let's save the crowd. That will be done. Much.